Hello and welcome to Challenge to Build. In today's review, part 2 of the PuriSystems PuriCare 1100. Just 30 days ago, I did an initial unboxing and review on this specific air purifier filtration system. PuriCare got a hold of me via email, asked me if I'd be interested in reviewing their product. I agreed. They did send this to me at no cost. I am required to disclose that. After an initial unboxing and review on the product, going over just basic functions of this unit, installing it up in my garage, I went about my normal daily activity in my garage, which I can say actually was definitely a lot less than normal for me. This has just over 30 days. I looked at when I posted the video, I think it's 35 days. And in that time period, I did a little bit of welding. And I'm also in the process of doing a test on my PuriCare air purifier, my air filtration system up here. That's what you might be hearing me play with now. I'm trying to get the air circulation. Another thing you're going to want to do is make sure you keep your face outside of the welding plume and have good ventilation with fresh air while you're doing welding. A little bit of grinding. I swept and cleaned my shop. I even did a little bit of painting in my garage. And during that time period, I let this run on low primarily. When I was doing more of the welding and painting, I did run it on high, and lo and behold, even just after 30 days, I am extremely impressed and kind of grosses me out a little bit, but how much dirt even just stage 1 of this filtration system gathered. This is a 2-stage filter, this being phase 1 or stage 1, and then even stage 2, which is more of like the paint pocket style filter, captured quite a bit of debris. And looking at this, only after 30 days, for how long I spend in my shop, I can't imagine if this was to run 24/7 basically in my shop as I was working. I can't imagine how much filth it would filter out of the air. So really, this kind of sells itself, as far as this would have been one of them items that I never really would have thought to purchase for myself and install. But if you are looking at a way to clean and filter the air in your shop, basement, woodwork shop, even your home, definitely look at the PuriCare 1100. The nice thing about this air filter is I decided to go to the big box home remodeling store, and believe it or not, I was able to find a replacement filter for this unit for stage 1. To replace the filter in stage 2, you would have to go either find it on Amazon or go to the manufacturer's direct website. However, the second stage does not have to get replaced, nowhere near as much as the first stage. Seeing how much dirt was pulled out in stage 1 just after 30 days, I would say you're going to want to replace stage 1 filter approximately 30 to 60 days. So look at the difference in just 30 days between a new filter, and I can actually spin this around so you can see. It doesn't really matter which way you look at it. Obviously, the only difference is the filter pleats are horizontal rather than vertical, but it still has the metal fencing system to hold it steady. But just after 30 days, look at the difference in filter quality. And in that 30 days, I probably have less than 40 hours of runtime on this filter. So the nice thing is stage 1 filters are readily available at probably your local hardware stores or the big box stores. This is a 10 by 20 by 1. I would probably say the stage 2 filters, for the amount that I'm using it, could probably do, you know, every 3 months, maybe 6 months, depending on use. But that is basically the extent of this part 2 review. I just wanted to bring your attention to the difference in filter quality between old and new within 30 days. So if you are looking for a filter system for your needs or uses, I'd highly recommend the PuriCare PuriSystems 1100. Very impressed and very surprised at how much filth it pulled out of the air. So that's going to do it for this part 2 review. Thanks for watching. Get out there, go challenge your build, and I will see you in an upcoming review and/or video.